The Marine Science and Engineering Services Group leverages Integral's expertise in sediments, water resources, and site assessment to provide state-of-the-art capabilities in the characterization of aquatic systems. These capabilities include field data collection and numerical modeling resources. Overall, this allows Integral to provide answers for the assessment, remediation, and monitoring of aquatic environmental and engineering problems. Complex sites, such as coastal estuaries, require in-depth description of the key processes in the system. The Integral approach is to develop a complete conceptual model to address a client's needs. This is well suited to sites like Monterey Bay, where waves, rivers, and tides affect transport and water quality. The collection of undisturbed sediment cores gives a wealth of information. Sediment stratigraphy provides a history of accumulation and can be documented with high-resolution photographs in the Integral Sediment Laboratory. The SEDflume analysis of sediment cores can directly measure erosion rates and critical shear stress as a function of depth. This allows for site-specific quantification of sediment stability under various environmental conditions. An undisturbed sediment core is inserted into the flume so that its surface is level with the flume. The flume allows for sediment samples to be taken from the surface of a core and at various depth intervals for the measurement of organic content, water content, bulk density, and particle size. The properties of each sample are carefully documented by skilled analysts, and the laboratory employs state-of-the-art instrumentation, such as a laser diffraction particle sizer, for high-resolution quantifications of each sample. These analyses are integrated with a full geophysical characterization of the site, which could include high-resolution bathymetry or sub-bottom profiling. In addition to the quantification of erosion rates and shear stress, the SEDflume analysis provides direct observation of the sediment and associated biotic response to increasing flows. When combined, this information gives a valuable resource to our clients for truly understanding sediment stability at a site under a range of conditions, as well as the stability of remedial sediment capping and amendments. The response of a system to environmental conditions is paramount to a complete description. The understanding of tides, currents, and waves at a site form the backbone of many aquatic studies. Accurate measurements of these factors provide an important component of a fully formed conceptual site model. Integral employs oceanographic instrumentation to model the key transport parameters. The LIST from Sequoia Scientific is a state-of-the-art instrument used for in-situ measurements of particle sizes and sediment volumes in the water column. Devices such as an acoustic Doppler velocimeter are used to provide velocity and shear quantification right at the sediment bed. The ability to readily measure what is occurring in this region allows for scientists and engineers to truly understand the site. Further characterization of the optical properties of the water column can be used to directly assess contaminant transport in the system. Recent advances in optical measurements employed by Integral scientists have been shown effective in real-time measurements of contaminants of concern. When coupled with traditional water quality measurements such as dissolved oxygen, temperature, and conductivity, the lines of evidence can be used to assess a system and help design effective remedies. The coupling of field and laboratory analyses leads to effective environmental assessment. Numerical models can also be employed to assist in developing a deeper understanding of a site. Industry standard models are employed by Integral staff. These models have been used at a wide variety of sites to provide characterization of historic, present-day, and future conditions. These tools assist with site allocations, risk assessment, and the feasibility of site remedies. The expert staff and high-performance computing resources ensure that Integral can assist with a full range of client needs. All in all, we at Integral aim to provide complete and efficient assessment of sites, from the initial site characterization to remedial implementation and monitoring to ensure sustainable solutions.